In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to create a pivot table in Zoho Analytics. This is one of the easiest ways to summarize and analyze large data sets with just a few clicks. Start by opening the workspace that contains the data you want to work with. Your workspace holds all your tables, so make sure you're in the correct one before you begin. Once you're inside, look for the Create option. Depending on your layout, you will either see Create and then Pivot View or New and then New Pivot View. Choose it and Zoho will open the Pivot Setup screen. A dialog box will appear asking you to select a base table. This is the table your pivot table will rely on, so choose the correct one. After selecting your table, click OK to enter the pivot editor. Now you can build your pivot table. Drag and drop your fields into rows, columns and values to instantly organize and summarize your data. You can compare categories, total numbers, find averages and spot trends within seconds, all without manually sorting anything. Before wrapping up, here's a quick reminder. Always make sure your data is clean and consistent. Clean data gives accurate insights and makes your pivot tables far more reliable. And that's it. You've created a pivot table in Zoho Analytics in just a few simple steps. With a little practice, you'll be able to analyze large data sets quickly and discover powerful insights anytime you need.